Hi everybody. It's 11:26. We've been walking for 3 hours. And here's a waterfall. Now, when I say we've been walking for 3 hours, I have to preface that by saying woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and we already did 400 meters up and down to Poon Hill. So we did a morning walk, had breakfast, had a shower, packed, and then we started today's walk. Anyway, it's so incredibly beautiful. It's hard sometimes to appreciate it all because you're so focused on just the next step. So it's been raining. Like last night there was a big storm. It's been raining all the time. So these steps are down, but for me, down is worse than going up because I've got 240 pounds of force going downwards. So my knees are just screaming at me. Anyway, enough complaining. This is beautiful. This is day 3. Last night we were in Gorbipan. How do you say it? Where were we last night? Goripani. Thank you. Tonight we're going to Tarapani. Tara. See. Damnivan. Yeah. This is also my way of getting a rest because although my guide has been super duper, he lets me rest whenever I want, but this could be like a TV channel, just watching the water go. All right, that's it. That's all.